Hi everyone, this is our second question from Digital Electronics. In this question, we are required to find the output Y, which is situated here on the right side. We are given three inputs A, B, and C. Before we proceed further, let us look at some prerequisites. So, when two inputs A and B are given to an AND gate, the output obtained is A dot B. And when two inputs A and B are given to an XOR gate, the output obtained is A XOR B, which is AB bar plus A bar B. The two Boolean formula which I will be using for this question are x XOR 1 is x dot 1 bar plus 1 dot x bar. Here 1 bar is 0, so x into 0 becomes 0. And 1 dot x bar is x bar itself, so the final answer for this is x bar. And coming to the second formula, x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. So we need to ignore this x bar. And x bar plus xy is x bar plus y. We are supposed to ignore this x. Now going back to the question. First, let us start by writing the inputs at each gate. So this is B. So this input is also B. This C is dividing into two inputs. An input here C, another input here C. In the same way, A is going here and the same A is going here also. Now, this is an AND gate. So the output of an AND gate is B dot C. And this output is traveling like this and going here. So this is B dot C. And this is an AND gate too. So the output here is A dot C. So I'm writing it here. And this output B dot C becomes an input for this AND gate. So B dot C comes here as an input to this AND gate. So the overall output of this AND gate is A dot B dot C. And the same thing comes here also, A dot B dot C. Now, this AC and BC are the inputs to this XOR gate. So the output here is AC XOR BC. Now, we are supposed to find the output which is Y is equal to ABC XOR AC XOR BC. Now we can see here that C can be taken common. So C AB XOR A XOR B. And inside this bracket, we can see that A is common. So we are taking A common, B XOR 1 XOR B. We have already seen in the prerequisites that x XOR 1 is x bar. So instead of x, here we have B. So B XOR 1 becomes B bar. So this B XOR 1 is B bar. And this remains as it is. Now C into AB bar XOR B. Let us deal with this AB bar XOR B separately here. So A B bar XOR B. Let us use the basic XOR Boolean expression. So for an XOR we know that if it is A XOR B, we write AB bar plus A bar B. But instead of A, we have AB bar. So first we write AB bar, the complement of B plus the complement of this left part into B. Now we know that B bar into B bar is B bar itself. And using De Morgan's theorem for this part, let us share that whole complement to both of them and change that multiplication to addition. So A bar plus B double bar overall into B. This becomes AB bar plus Let us distribute this B inside A bar B plus this B double bar is B. So B into B becomes B. So taking B common, AB bar plus B common, A bar plus 1. 1 plus anything is 1 in Boolean algebra. So AB bar plus B. So this is what we got by dealing with this separately. Let us include that back into that. So y is C into A B bar plus B. So we have got this formula already in prerequisites. So here you can observe that B plus B bar A. That means we need to ignore this B bar. So it is A plus B. So this is the final answer. The output Y of this digital system is C into A plus B. Thank you.